Hi everyone! I am going to be showing you today very quickly how to make graham cracker bars. Now you'll just need some coconut flakes, you'll need a bag of chocolate chips, a can of sweetened condensed milk, a stick of butter, and I'll show you how much of the graham crackers that I like to use. So you'll also need a 13 by 9 pan. So let's get our oven ready. Okay, let's do our oven for 325. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is just put the stick of butter in the pan. I like to cut it up, just have little pats of butter in there so it'll melt faster. But really you could just do the whole thing. Now put that in the oven, let it melt. While the butter is melting, we are gonna smash some graham crackers. So I like to do 1 container plus 3 more. Smash away. All right, so these are ready and so is the butter. So all you're gonna do is just empty the crumbs into, whoops, it'll spill, into all of this butter. And then all I do is kind of mix it in. Just get that butter mixed into all of it. So we're gonna evenly kind of spread it out. Okay, after patting it down, you're just gonna take your sweetened condensed milk and just pour it as evenly as possible. All right, here's where the fun comes. So you're going to take about a bag full of chocolate chips. Now this has about 12 ounces, 11 and a half ounces. So that's about 1.5 cups, guys. So just evenly spread it out. Now you don't have to use only chocolate chips. So I said about 1.5 cups in case you wanted to switch it up. So I do have some of these butterscotch chips. If you have leftover candy from Christmas, this would make a really good treat. So just make sure you've chopped those up. Okay, so the topping is just sweetened coconut flakes. Now, you could use unsweetened as well. I've done both. Looks like we're ready to go. So just kind of evenly put that on. I just kind of go by feel, because if you put too much and when you cut it, it will flake off. So we're going to now press that in. Be very careful because the pan is hot. So all that sweetened condensed milk is now spreading around and it's working like glue. All right, you guys, let's get this into the oven. I'm gonna set my timer for 20 minutes and then we'll come check on it. And here it is after 20 to 25 minutes, just lightly toasted. I could have probably left it in for another minute or two, but I think this is perfect. So I have to let it cool down and then we're going to eat it. Ooh. All right, so here it is all done. I've cut them a little bit bigger. They're 16 here. I think you could get even 24 if they're a little bit smaller. But look at that. So good, so delicious, easy to make, and make the best treats to share with friends and neighbors. So let me know down below if you're going to make them right now.